Kubor nakaslem jong unausan hima.
Ngisngaw na kaliang pati ngisngaw long ngisngaw yo mesim ha ba kipad ba lalong sa menuru kisanya ya ka NPP bat kumju ru ya ka UDP namar ngi penjeng bro lai tali de hapo mau plang i job i ba Eugene ibade naga partner si jongi na kaliang jong ka UDP bat kini ke atali pe lagi job ni kowe kerja bala bat kowe ka mau ra ni tingi sngaw ngo sngaw burom ye ki pad ba nong tebut bat ni yo i ya ke jing don kat jong ki ban ni ban nang ni smart ni nang pau susu di kam ke jong ni bangin trai bahan na ta jong pad ba ke jala
kani ke jing job komdai kata ke jing job nang ke jing jong pad ba ante ke de rin ma ke jithe ka pidon yo bon pensai halon kata ke
iya kata ngem don kam ban persai namar man election nu barem u kono bet ba the pisah dia kata ngatrai kam dai su ke batamai ya ka allocation unu kandidat barem u suang bet bangirem namar bagi ai pisah dia kata kadai ka ba julong hi berbot te ya kata ngamla ban ong bangan kren bungu hanrai ka ba khaddu hi kalong mau di ndon kserem don lupa namar ba sania gi paj ba yo kandidat bat kumju ru ya ka parti ngatrai kata kadai betul kam ai ka kongres tengang la bong lepai ki perlok ba pe sua ba ka jahat kan ngam des kau bahaya ya kenti no namar yo su ya yap jelop lu rok yeah, I was so grateful to the voters of all the three constituencies, whatever. Of course, we could not manage for Mau Plang constituency. However, we have got not less than 5,000 plus votes, even in Mau Plang. So, we have seen that people still trust our party, NPP party, and not only NPP party, even UDP and the MDA partners as a whole, because we work together and when then we carry along the ball for the interest of the citizens of the state as a whole. So therefore, I'm so grateful to all the three constituencies where people have faith on the MDA government led by NPP.
What was the key factor which has led to the victory of MDA, especially?
Oh yeah, that one. For that, you research it yourself. Why should you ask me? That you research yourself. But that's what I'm telling you because they have faith. The policy, the decision taken by the party along with the MDA partners, I'm telling you, people they do have faith in the present MDA government led by NPP.